I'm gonna show it to you क्योंकि बिल्कुल सामने ही दिखाई दे रहा है कि उसमें अल्लाह लिखा हुआ है and you know it's not right that people walk around wearing those shoes with the name of Allah under their feet. तो आशी गुम हो गई, अब उसे कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाऊंगी? उसने कहा कॉफी. Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to go ahead and quickly do something before we can start this video. I don't know अगर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा या नहीं, लेकिन अभी जो है एक वीडियो सर्कुलेट हो रहा था. I don't know कि ये किसने बनाया है, but I'm so thankful to the person that made it क्योंकि मेरी आंखें खुल गई. तो it was about that brand Nike. And I do have a few things by the brand Nike. इतने कुछ चीज़ें नहीं है मेरे पास Nike के brand से, but दो तीन चीज़ें हैं. I'm gonna throw them out because I saw a video where Nike brand itself disrespected our religion, our belief, our Allah, and for me as a Muslim, I think it is my duty to not support something who has no respect at all for our religion. You know, क्योंकि हम जो मुसलमान हैं खुद ही उन लोगों को पैसे देते ये सब चीज़ें करने के लिए. If we as Muslims back out and stop buying from them, obviously they're gonna lose that support from us as well. I'm gonna show you that clip. I'm gonna show it to you क्योंकि बिल्कुल सामने ही दिखाई दे रहा है कि उसमें अल्लाह लिखा हुआ है and you know it's not right that people walk around wearing those shoes with the name of Allah under their feet. I did remove the audio just so I can do my own so you guys can understand it. So pretty much this is just a Nike brand shoes, and if you guys turn it around you can clearly see on the bottom of it, it says Allah, which again is very, very disrespectful and very disgusting. So I do not support this brand anymore and I will never support this brand. So I hope that some of you that are able to see this video are also able to understand what's going on here, and you guys can decide for yourself. Nobody's a kid, everybody can see what's going on. Today I'm also gonna go ahead and throw out all my Nike stuff. I only have one pair of sneakers, so I have to get another one as well. वो भी Nike के तो वो भी मैं फेंकूंगी. Learn to respect everybody's religion, learn to love everybody's religion, learn to love everybody for who they are, and if you can't, you don't need to disrespect them either, and that's exactly what Nike has done. I am boycotting Nike brand. आपकी मर्जी है, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आपको भी करना चाहिए. Of course ये सब अपने अपने बंदे की डिसीजन होती है. मेरा डिसीजन है कि मैं नहीं पहनूंगी इनकी चीज़ें, ना तो मैं कुछ खरीदूंगी इनकी चीज़ें. So एज अ मुस्लिम ये मेरी ड्यूटी है. तो अभी के लिए मुझे यही चीज़ें मिल गई. और भी है, अगर और मिलते जाएंगे वो भी मैं फेंकती जाऊंगी, बट this is going in the trash because it doesn't deserve to be in my house. And दूसरी बात, it doesn't even deserve a bag to be thrown out in dignity. There. अब ट्रैश वाला आ जाएगा, ये ले जाएगा. You know how long I've been waiting here? Literally 20 minutes for her. 20 minutes in this exact spot.
You moved for like 2 seconds.
No, it wasn't 2 seconds. It was like 20 minutes.
2 seconds?
20 minutes,
Not
dude.
like 2 seconds?
I am not a liar.
You like the people.
That's why you dropped your wallet. So we are going out because we need to go shopping for my brother's wedding. So we gotta get some makeup. We gotta get shoes. We gotta get purses. We gotta get jewelry.
Purses?
We got $100 for all that.
I got money on my card.
You got money on your card? So you won't let me get Starbucks? What do you have against Starbucks? If I would have said Dunkin' Donuts, you would have said yes.
No, I wouldn't even say Wawa, yes.
Can you put that phone down? Do you understand how dangerous
Shut the hell up.
you're endangering my life and the life of others?
No.
You guys, I'm putting my sister on display like she's in a zoo because she does some of the weirdest
Stop.
shit.
Why are you putting me on Zoom, my ugly face, dude?
Not on Zoom. I said like you're in a zoo.
Oh, zoo.
Like, you know how people watch animals? That's how we're gonna watch you because like you do some weird shit. Tell them no, but tell them what you just did.
Nothing.
You stuck your tongue out.
I did
No.
not, dude.
I'm gonna recreate what she did. She was like
Dude, I did not do
Yes,
that.
you
You're
did.
lying yourself, dude.
no, I'm not.
You're just a liar, dude. You say you never lie, and yes, you lie all the time.
I waited for you for how long?
Not even 2 seconds.
It wasn't 2 seconds. I've been dressed in my clothes and my jacket
you said
for like the past 20 minutes.
You said exact place, right? I waited here 20 minutes, okay? That's what you said. That was your exact words. I waited in this same place for 20 minutes. It wasn't. It was like 2 seconds. You just got out of the line, started recording yourself, and then that's it.
I'm not gonna put that in the vlog.
Cause you just line right there.
Stop cursing. I'm gonna be beeping. This video is getting demonetized with you cursing.
No, I'm just saying, like, you lied, dude. Like, you said
I don't lie. I've been dressed for the past 30 minutes.
That's not what you
I just
said.
said 20 right before.
No, that's not what you said. You said that, you know, I waited in this spot exactly 20 minutes. More like 2 seconds.
I'm just waiting for the elevator to go to the bathroom. I have this thing. जब भी मैं बाहर आती हूँ ना, always हमेशा bathroom जाना होता है. So I'm just waiting for the elevator. It's taking forever. I've been waiting here for like 20 minutes. Ooh, we got our first product of the day. I want this nude one. They don't have it anymore. Tried these and the colors are so pigmented. It's getting really gloomy, but मौसम भी खराब हो रहा है. बेन अभी तक नहीं है. उसने कहा कि गाड़ी ला रही है. I don't know कि कहाँ चली गई. अभी मैं ब्लरी भी हूँ. मैंने खाना ले लिया because I was really starving and I'm just waiting for Ashi, but दिखाई नहीं दे रही. इन लोगों ने ये बैंड बाजा भी इतना तेज लगाया है ना, सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा है कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. वो आ रही है, अब आ रही है. 20 मिनट वेट करवाया फिर से. No, I've been sitting there. You didn't see me? Fries. Heidi.
Alright, I'll get back to you.
You really don't like these?
Huh?
Have you tried these? Onion rings. Do you want onion rings? We are going to be making baked ziti today because we're both craving it. And
Well, I wasn't craving it.
right here. Yeah.
This one is good.
Yeah, so take that.
Well,
We need a sauce. I the tomato, onion, and garlic. Her favorite aisle.
it's not.
Yes, it is your favorite. Don't lie to people. Hey, there's the Funyuns. Go get him. तो आशी गुम हो गई. अब उसे कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाऊंगी? उसने कहा coffee. Literally, coffee aisle. Where is she?
I had to get
Where were you?
get the creamer.
I was walking around the whole time looking like an idiot thinking I lost you. Don't ever do that again. You know how I get when I lose you, sister. Hey.
Wish you lost. Ow!
Yo, I'm gonna go get a bread. You stand in line. Wow, we just talked and we didn't even record anything. We were talking about how if you haven't tried anything in life, सिर्फ ये try कर लेना. ये है Philly Pretzel Factory. Tastes so good with cheese. She thinks it's better with mustard.
Mustard's addiction right now, dude.
Ew, I hate mustard.
I never liked it, you know, but I just love it. What a stupid person. Like, who does that?
Apparently that person. So yeah, she loves mustard. I love cheese. She loves olives. I love olives.
I'm like,
She's addicted to it now.
well, when you came back from Pakistan, you put it in salad, right? and now I just want them so badly.
In every salad.
Every salad, I have to have olives.
That and sunflower seeds.
No, sunflowers, I don't really care for those, but olives, yes. Like, it has to be in there.
I'm more now, like, I love olives, but I'm more of like that sweet salad person. Like, I love cranberries, apples, like the dried cranberries. And then I love almonds and like walnuts in my salad. And I love sushi. And I used to hate sushi. You remember? They took me to, her and her best friend took me to Red Lobsters one day. So it was like a seafood restaurant. I went in there and they ordered food and it was like, oh my gosh, it was the nastiest thing ever. Like, I hated it. I hated seafood. To this day, अभी भी यहाँ पर मैं जब पाकिस्तान में थी वहाँ पर जब मैं मछली खाती थी, it was so good. Like, to me, that was luxury. Like, eating that fish from like the cheapest dabas. But to me, that was so much luxury. And the same fish, I hate here. Like, यहाँ के जो मछली होते हैं, इसमें like बदबू भी आती है, बदबू भी आती है, टेस्ट भी इतना नहीं होता.
You looked at me like बदबू? Like as
I was asking you if that was the right word.
Really?
But I hate it.
Like as if I'm like the Urdu speaking person or something.
I came back, I came back from Pakistan thinking मैं पूरी changed हो गई, मछली खाऊंगी, seafood खाऊंगी. I made with tilapia once. It was so nasty. Oh my god.
Alright, bando yaar. Come on, man.
Why are you so rude?
I'm not, just like, come on.
You want me to finish talking?
You're done talking, come on.
I just want them to look at me now. And you, and me, and you, and
sorry.
me, and you, and me, and me. Going to my favorite store, Marshall's. I love Marshall's. I don't know why you hate it. It's just an amazing store with amazing deals and amazing products or stuff. All right, let's look at shoes first. Yo, these towels are so nice. Dad said he needs towels for back. Ooh! But you said shoes first. I'm gonna get Chachi something like this.
Yeah.
But like, obviously with a better design, you know?
Ross has better ones.
Well, we'll look at Ross then. These are nice.
Like these ones.
I like them. No, I want to get her something that's warm for the winter. You came, rolling patient. You realize you came out of the wrong door.
Yes, I know.
You were coming out of indoor.
I know.
Why were you doing that? You're breaking the rules. Actually, yo, flipo ka dalta cartwheel. I'll give you $100 if you do a cartwheel right here.
Give me $0, I'm not gonna do it.
I don't want to give you $0. I want to give you $100 if you do it. We literally came and bought nothing. So far, the only thing we bought is food, because that's all we think about. Bhai ki shaadi sar par hai aur hame khane ki padi hai.
Like we just don't know what to buy. Like we're
that's
so
the only thing
confused.
we're getting. But I feel like we already have makeup and everything.
I just don't know what to buy. Like for your shop, for your wedding, it was so much easier. Okay, this. Even I need a lot of stuff, but I feel like I'm not gonna do any makeup, and like I feel like whatever, man.
We didn't even get foundations. We didn't even get like foundations and shit.
I think when it comes to end, right?
That's when you guys are. Wait, Ashi, what are you doing?
Nothing, man. I feel like standing in line, dude. Come on.
There's a lot of shoes. Why are you putting it back?
Money, let's go.
We finally got something that we can take home.
Food, but if it's food related.
It is food related. Yeah, but
That's funny, man.
I'm waiting for it.
Oh, you will. That's funny, dude.
Madre que me zangi.
Alright, yo, that's a long line.
Tava pruzi. Yo, tava muito issues, dude.
That's a long line, man.
It is a pretty long line.
Okay, I'm not buying it. I don't need it. I get it.
Should we get this?
The-
Stand in line. I'm not wasting time. I was hoping to buy something, but you keep walking out of every store.
Obviously.
Uh-huh.
I'm not coming back again and do like shopping things because I really don't know what to buy.
we should make a list of all the things we need and then come. Boo!
Come on, man. You're wasting time. I don't have time.
I said boo.
Are you guys?
The una yan di boo Sarah.
No, man. Come on.
ما دلقي أريد كذي غدي بيش خذوني. I am so exhausted right now. हम अभी घर जा रहे हैं. अभी हमने bathroom की जो है carpets ले लिए, and that was the only thing we got.
And the only reason why we got it,
Was because
we didn't buy anything, so.
we felt bad. So we had to get it. So we're going home
What?
now. I'm so tired. I gotta go home. I gotta be big ziti and
Wendy, come on, man. Get off the phone. I mean,
I'm not, oh, coming from the person that's actually on the phone.
Hello?
I'm on the camera, bruh. I'm gonna go home and
Huh?
that's pretty much it. So, yeah.
yes.